liberalization means? The options are A. Opening up of the economy to the world market. B. Reducing the unwanted restriction on trade and industry. C. Reducing the number of reserved industries to a few. D. Welcoming more foreign direct investment into the economy. The correct answer is B. Reducing the unwanted restriction on trade and industry. Liberalization refers to removing unnecessary controls and restrictions on trade, industry, and commerce to allow free market activity. Next question is: which statements? First, penetration pricing is most suitable for electronic goods. Second, the objective of skimming price policy is to penetrate the market with the lowest possible price. The options are A. Both are correct. B. First one is correct, second one is wrong. C. First one is wrong, second one is correct. D. Both are wrong. The correct answer is B. First one is correct, second one is wrong. Penetration pricing is used to quickly attract customers to a new product by offering a lower price, often suitable for electronics. Skimming aims at setting a high price initially to maximize profits from early adopters. Next question is: which of the following is not an element of micro-environment of business? The options are A. Trade policy. B. Suppliers. C. Competitors. D. Public. The correct answer is A. Trade policy. Trade policy is part of the macro environment, while suppliers, competitors, and public are part of the micro environment. Next question is: which of the following is not an instrument of monetary policy? The options are A. Statutory liquidity ratio. B. Open market operations. C. Levying taxes. D. Cash reserve ratio. The correct answer is C. Levying taxes. Levying taxes is a fiscal policy tool, not a monetary policy instrument. Next question is: match the following legislations with the year of their enactment. A. Foreign Exchange Management Act. B. Factories Act. C. Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act. D. Consumer Protection Act. The options are A. 2, 1, 3, 4. B. 2, 1, 4, 3. C. 3, 4, 2, 1. D. 3, 4, 1, 2. The correct answer is B. 2143. FEMA 1999, Factories Act 1948, MRTP Act 1969, Consumer Protection Act 1986. Next question is: in which one of the following methods of charging depreciation shall the balance never be reduced to zero? The options are A. Fixed installment method. B. Depreciation fund method. C. Diminishing balance method. D. Depletion unit method. The correct answer is C. Diminishing balance method. In this method, depreciation is charged on the reducing balance, and it never fully reaches zero. Next question is: match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer. List 1, types of accounts. A. Real accounts. B. Nominal accounts. C. Personal accounts. List 2, principles. 1. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. 2. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. 3. Debit all expenses, credit all gains. The options are A. 3, 2, 1. B. 1, 3, 2. C. 2, 3, 1. D. 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is C. 2, 3, 1. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal, debit all expenses, credit all incomes. Personal, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Next question is, Garner versus Murray rule applies in case of. The options are A. Admission of a partner. B. Dissolution of a firm. C. Retirement of a partner. D. Death of a partner. The correct answer is B. Dissolution of a firm. This rule applies when a partner is insolvent at the time of dissolution of the firm. Next question is, a company offered 5,000 shares but received applications for 6,000. If shares were allotted on a pro rata basis and X applied for 180 shares, how many were allotted? The options are A. 180 shares. B. 200 shares. C. 150 shares. D. 175 shares. The correct answer is C. 150 shares. Allotment ratio is equal to 5,000 divided by 6,000 is equal to 5. 6x gets 180 times 5 divided by 6 is equal to 150 shares. Next question is, cost of goods sold is calculated as. The options are A. Cost of goods manufactured plus opening stock of finished goods, closing stock of finished goods. B. Cost of goods manufactured, opening stock of finished goods, closing stock of finished goods. C. Cost of goods manufactured, opening stock plus closing stock. D. Cost of goods manufactured plus opening stock plus closing stock. The correct answer is A. Cost of goods manufactured plus opening stock a closing stock. This is the standard formula to calculate the cost of goods sold. Next question is, elasticity of demand for necessities is. The options are A. Infinite. B. Equal to 0. C. More than 1. D. Less than 1. The correct answer is D. Less than 1. Necessities have inelastic demand, meaning consumers will buy them regardless of price changes, so elasticity is less than 1. Next question is, price discrimination is possible and profitable when different markets have. The options are A. Different elasticity of demand. B. Inelastic demand. C. Same elasticity of demand. D. Infinite elasticity of demand. The correct answer is A. Different elasticity of demand. Price discrimination works when a firm can charge different prices in markets with varying price sensitivities. Next question is, a seller can sell additional quantity of his product without reducing the price in. The options are A. Monopoly market. B. Oligopoly market. C. Perfectly competitive market. D. Monopolistic market. The correct answer is C. Perfectly competitive market. In perfect competition, firms are price takers and can sell any quantity at the market price. Next question is, an example of derived demand is. The options are A. Milk. B. Money. C. Manufactured goods. D. Fertilizers. The correct answer is D. Fertilizers. Derived demand arises from the demand for another good. Fertilizers are demanded because crops are. Next question is, when marginal utility is negative, total utility. The options are A. Increases. B. Is negative. C. Decreases. D. Is 0. The correct answer is C. decreases. When marginal utility turns negative, consuming more of the good actually reduces total satisfaction. Next question is, chi-square test can be used only when? The options are A. All the items in the sample are independent. B. All the items in the sample are dependent. C. All the items are dispersed abnormally. D. The sampling method is non-random. The correct answer is A. All the items in the sample are independent. Chi-square tests assume that the data observations are independent of each other. Next question is, when skewness is 0? The options are A. Mean is equal to median but not mode. B. Mean is equal to median and mode. C. Mean is equal to mode but not median. D. Mean, median, and mode will have different values. The correct answer is B. Mean is equal to median and mode. Zero skewness indicates a perfectly symmetrical distribution. Next question is, match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer. List I. A. Chi-square test. B. Annual reports. C. Multivariate. D. Data processing. List 2. 1. Secondary data. 2. Information system. 3. Hypothesis testing. 4. Factor analysis. The options are A. 4, 2, 1, 3. B. 3, 4, 1, 2. C. 3, 1, 4, 2. D. 4, 1, 3, 2. The correct answer is C. 3, 1, 4, 2. Chi-square is equal to hypothesis testing, annual reports is equal to secondary data, multivariate is equal to factor analysis, data processing is equal to information system. Next question is, factor analysis is A. The options are A. Univariate statistical technique. B. Bivariate statistical technique. C. Multivariate statistical technique. D. Simple statistical technique. The correct answer is C. Multivariate statistical technique. Factor analysis studies the relationships among multiple variables simultaneously. Next question is, when the population of the study is not properly defined. The options are A. It is a sampling error. B. It is a non-sampling error. C. It is not an error at all. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. It is a non-sampling error. Non-sampling errors include issues in data collection, such as improper population definition. Next question is, the line of authority is clearly defined. The options are A. Principle of unity of command. B. Principle of equity. C. Principle of scalar chain. D. Principle of authority and responsibility. The correct answer is C. Principle of scalar chain. Scalar chain refers to a clear line of authority from top to bottom in an organization. Next question is, choosing a specific path of action to achieve desired results. The options are A. Policy. B. Procedure. C. Program. D. Strategy. The correct answer is D. Strategy. A strategy defines the path or direction to achieve long-term goals. Next question is, leadership style in which followers have ample freedom in fixing targets. The options are A. Participative. B. Democratic. C. Consultative. D. Free rein. The correct answer is D. Free rein. Free-rein leadership allows maximum freedom to subordinates. Next question is, arrange the following steps of planning in proper sequence. 1. Developing premises. 2. Evaluating alternative courses. 3. Being aware of opportunities. 4. Selecting a course. 5. Establishing objectives. The options are A. 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. B. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. C. 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. D. 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. The correct answer is C. 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Blue Book. This is the correct logical flow for planning steps in management. Next question is, following is not a barrier of communication. The options are A. Unclarified assumptions. B. Closed mind. C. Open mind. D. Loss by transmission. The correct answer is C. Open mind. An open mind facilitates communication, not hinders it. Next question is, which of the following is not a stage of product life cycle? The options are A. Introduction. B. Growth. C. Market segmentation. D. Decline. The correct answer is C. Market segmentation. Market segmentation is a marketing strategy, not a stage in the product life cycle. Next question is, which of the following is an example of an external threat? The options are A. New trade regulations. B. Decreased competition. C. Global sales potential. D. Economies of scale. The correct answer is A. New trade regulations. Trade regulations imposed externally can pose a threat to an organization.